So size-wise, with a not powered points, times return, and with a powered appliance fitter. So as you can see, let's kind of get the wings lined up close enough together. It's a little bit small. It's a little bit of baby size. I'll say it's probably a little bit more closer to powered appliance than it is to a times return. Of course, you know, there's not that much articulation with these, and you don't get any weapon accessory. It would have been nice if it had like some type of a gun or a sword or shield or something. Plastic quality is actually pretty good. Actually, I think the plastic quality is actually a little bit better than powered appliance. Yeah. A dollar store one, not off, KO, no name brand one. The plastic quality is actually better than a official licensed Hasbro powered appliance one. There is some detail in there, some panel lining, some paint, which I think they did an amazing job in the paint. You look at some of the Hasbro ones, and it's like, alright, who fell asleep or who was drunk on the paint line? Because the paint just looks like they just went like, wait. I'm seeing 2 points. No, there's only one transformer pointing to paint, man. No. Whoa, oh wait, I'm seeing 3. I'm seeing 4. Are you drunk? Are you high? Maybe because there's only one to paint. And they're like, whoop. Hey, I got a swipe of paint on it. It's completely painted. No. I mean, just let the paint wear on this one. The windshields, the little design here, the little frame design on the little back of the tail there. Excellent job. Even look on like the little legs. The paint job's fantastic. For a little dollar store fitter that, you know, you think that there wouldn't be any paint on them at all. Now, I do mean the head sculpt needs a little bit more paint probably, and they're not the best head sculpts, but then again, yeah, so are some of the actual Hasbro ones. Their head sculpts really aren't that great on some Transformers, so yeah, but I mean, you know, for that at the dollar store, I'm happy with it. I'm fine. It's great. Should you pick it up? Definitely. Well, I recommend picking this up more than powered appliance. Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, powered appliance, they just snap, they break. The joints are too tight to transform them. The instructions, don't let the instructions, cause the instructions will get you Transformers completely broken where you gotta take like super glue just to glue them back together again. They have stickers in the wrong places where it's a high traffic, transformation, bending, twisting area. Other parts of paint, which they need to put the stickers in the paint parts and the paint in the stickers parts. They need to swap their things around and stuff. But like, ooh, shiny stickers. Ooh, who gives a F about shiny stickers? When you transform it for the first time and the shiny stickers are peeling off, whipping off, tearing off, that's what you say. After shiny stickers, throw some mother effing paint on there, and it's fine. It's good to go. You could transform it 100, 200, 300, infinity times. That's what they needed to do with powered appliance. Which is funny. Machine's powered appliance, they never really taught about, you know, powered appliance fitters. They're just like,